Hey guys, Cameron over at 816 Diesel, bringing you a cold start walk around video today. Downtown Kansas City, getting ready to storm. Really nice day though for January, about 45 degrees out. Our shop, it's about a mile down the road here, so here we are. Truck's been driven a mile, but other than that, it's pretty cold. We've got a very nice one owner 2006 Ford F250 King Ranch that we're going to be starting up and going through today. Super nice truck, as you can tell by looking at it already. It's got a lot going on with it, so let me find some keys here. 2 keys, 2 fobs. Hop up in here. Okay, great miles on this rig. 129,557. Take a look over here. Train's got some temp, motor's got no temp. Like I said, I drove it not even a mile, but that's the condition of the start. Fires right up, no problems, no lights, no issues. Like I said, one owner, 120,000 miles. This is a sweet King Ranch. And sorry, I got the sun coming in right here. Sunroof truck, fully loaded. It's got the full back seat for 3, console up front, full Husky liners front and rear. This truck has a lot of bells and whistles that the previous owner put on it. Really nice upgrades. Trying to get you a view where you can see it. We do have OEM trailer brakes in the upfitter switches, cup holders, 4-wheel drive, power sliding rear. Haven't tried it. It does work. Good to know. 4-wheel drive, parking sensors, digital climate control AC. It's got the 6-disc in-dash CD changer, HVAC, climate, and radio controls on the steering wheel. I mean, these King Ranches come loaded up pretty nice. This one does have the cold weather package with the heated seats, power windows, power locks, and power mirrors. We do have tinted windows. We do have the rain visors on all the windows. And I don't see any stains around this sunroof though. Cloth looks like it's in great condition. It's never stained out. It works as it should. Tilt and slide. So really cool. I mean, this truck it's about as nice as it gets for a one owner. It's minimal rust too, so pretty clean old rig. I'm trying to think what else I'm missing here. Other than that, let's make our way outside and go through it real quick. Just check these auxes. Yeah, the aux switches work. And we've got trailer brakes working. Everything works as it should. It's got nice hot heat, cold AC. I've actually driven this truck. We got it with 129, like 120 on it. So we've put a whole tank of fuel through it. We try to always drive the trucks down here so that way we have a good feel of what's going on with them and make our repairs and know what we need to do. There is no rips or tears. The first thing I'm going to point out real quick is this interior. This King Ranch leather is in amazing shape for being 11 years old. There's no rips or tears. It's still very soft. It has a nice brown color. And I'll show you the back seat. I don't think anyone's ever sat in this back seat because that's what they look like when they were new. I've yet, in all my years of doing this, seen one this clean. And you can tell because usually under these flaps in the back you can see that original color, like right there. That's been covered its whole life, so that's the brown. And then we look over here and the whole back seat's that way. So back seat looks brand new. I don't think it's ever been sat in. But let's pop the hood, start there. $120 on a 6.0 Powerstroke. And it's, like I say, one owner, dealer maintained, bone stock. No aftermarket parts on this truck whatsoever. Doesn't build any pressure in the upper radiator hose. There's no coolant that's ever shot out. It's dry. Nice, clean, clear coolant. Stock head bolts down there. Nothing exciting. But there's no issues with the head gaskets on this truck. Motorcraft batteries. 0 blow-by whatsoever. When I say 0, I mean nothing. Nice smooth idle. Sounds healthy. We haven't cleaned under the hood, so there's nothing fishy going on. So all in all, I can't say enough good things about how this truck runs and its condition. So basically, I'm just going to kind of walk you around it, walk you through it, point out what I notice. And first off, like every truck you see come through here, Harley Davidson headlights. We do it to all of them. I mean, they just make it look nice. When you're doing black wheels and tires, they just really make it pop. So Harley Davidson headlights on the front. We have a new style of wheel here, and I'm curious what you guys think. If you got a second, drop me a comment and let me know what you think of these wheels. American Truxx Boom. They are 22 by 12s, and we've got a 35-inch amp tire, brand new, 40,000 mile tread warranty on these tires, negative 44 offset, so you do have a fair amount of stance. Oh, we got a train coming through. It's going to get loud, guys. Sorry about that. I'm actually going to pause the video. I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. The train is just stopped up there and is not coming, so I don't know what's going on. FX4 package on this truck. It's got the skid plates. I do a couple other things, upgraded limited slip in the rear end. We were checking out the stance on these wheels. Negative 44. They stick out a little, but nothing crazy. Mud flaps take care of most of it. We did smoke the tail lights, and I'm going to show you something cool about this topper. We've got an ARE fiberglass topper. That is a power lock on this bad boy. So when you actually click the keyless entry on the key fob, it locks the camper shell. The camper shell has a full bed rug in it and is carpeted head to toe with a light. So it's a pretty hardcore setup. It's been in here since it was new. It's not been taken out. I don't really know the condition underneath, but it looks good. I don't see any rust or anything. This is a clean truck, so hopefully this camper shell kept it clean from the elements. But like I said, it's got a key and it locks with your keyless entry. Reverse sensors, factory tow package. We didn't look at the rockers. Sorry, we got interrupted and it threw me off. Those trains can be loud. Rockers in great shape. They have minor little bubbles starting on the surface. Very minor. Truck's been underbodied pretty thoroughly. It looks nice and clean. We'll check under the bed here. The rails have a little surface rust on them, but they are not crumbling or falling out. They do have minor surface rust. I'd say this truck's about a 3 out of 10 on the severity of rust. 1 being perfect new Texas low miles and 10 being Canada roached. Stock exhaust. Nice and quiet. You know, there's not a lot of damage to show you. That's just dirt right there. I'm trying to pick some out, but there's really no dings, no dents. Nothing bad on this truck at all. Except that little bit of rust on the bed. That's pretty much the worst I can show you. You're getting a good feel for it here, so. I just can't get over how nice and plush and soft. I mean, you'll see when you come check it out, but this is the softest, nicest King Ranch leather. Every one of these old trucks, they just look tan because they're so dried out. They make special conditioners, which we keep at the shop, that you're supposed to treat them with. Passenger seat is full power adjustable with heated seat option as well. Got the owner's manual in the glove box. Yeah, overall, let's check the cab corner on this side real quick too. Same condition over here. Actually, it hasn't even really started over here, it's just dirty. Really nice truck, guys. Again, one owner truck, clean title in hand, King Ranch Powerstroke, runs perfect. Not a lot more you need to know. This truck is turnkey. Let me know what you guys think. I always appreciate your feedback. We are trying new stuff with the wheels and tires. We do got a new detailer in trying to make them look a little nicer for you guys. So let me know what you guys think. And if you're interested in this truck, head on over to our website, 816diesel.com. On the website, you can find pictures, VIN number, pricing, anything you need to know. Those questions are answered on the website. My contact information, if you want to come check it out, or if you have something that isn't answered on the website, best to just text me or call me on my cell, 913-735-5555. 3748 is my cell phone number. Let me know how I can help. And like I said, we're downtown Kansas City. If you want to check out the truck, I would not wait a while because I've had it up for a day now and it has quite a bit of interest. But I appreciate your time, guys. I'm going to get back to work. You have a great rest of your week out there.